Yes, good evening. Yes, we are going to the transducers class. Now what I am going to discuss is related for the gate level. Gate level. See, already everyone knows about the fundamentals. You already know about the fundamentals, but now we are going in depth. We will do mainly problems. Mainly problems. Okay, fine. Shall we start now? Yes. What is basically a transducer? Transducer, it is a device. It is a device which converts. It is a device which converts from one form of energy to another form. So one point of energy to another form of energy. Yes, there are two kinds of transducers. First one is two types. First one is active. Second one is passive. So active transducers means which does not require an external power supply. Does not require an external power supply. What are the examples of active transducers? First one, thermocouple. Is an example for the active transducer. Second one, PET. PET means what? Piezoelectric transducer. Next one is piezoelectric transducer. That is piezoelectric transducer. Third one, photovoltaic cell. Say another name for photovoltaic cell is what? Another name is what? Or solar cell. Another name is solar cell. So these are the some of the active transducers. That means directly we will get what? What is the output of thermocouple? Output is what? Voltage. What is the output of piezoelectric? Output is voltage. What is the output of? So here you won't get voltage. You will get what? QE is directly proportional to F. So QE equals to DF. So but later the charge can be converted into what? Voltage. Yes, very good question. How many marks? Marks is easily you can get around 10 to 12 marks. 10 to 12 marks. Because this is a core subject. What is this one? Transducers is what? Core subject. This is a core subject. We can expect 10 to 12 marks. Yes, fine. Photovoltaic cell. Here what is this one? Output is what? Voltage. So that means light energy is converting into what? Light energy is converted into the voltage. So these all are the active transducers. If you come to the passive transducers, If you come to the passive transducers, what are the passive transducers? There are change in, that is output should be change in what? Resistance, inductance, capacitance. That is R, L and C. This is very important. So, your output should be changed in the resistance or inductance or capacitance. But if I want to get my original voltage or current, again I have to do what? To get voltage, what to do? To get voltage, what I require? I need signal conditioning circuit. I need signal conditioning circuit. That means what? Passive transducers. What is this one? Requires an external power supply. See, these are the very, very important. For passive transducers, we require an external power supply. For an active transducer, we does not require any external power supply. What are the examples of this one? Examples of passive transducer. First one is what? Potentiometer. So this is for resistance type. Next, LVDT. LVDT means what? Linear variable differential transformer. Yes, even we can say that RTD. So many we can give. For LVDT it is what? For inductance. Third one, for capacitance change, you can give for level measurement by using capacitive transducer. See, there are so many transducers are there. Yes, for capacitance, level measurement by capacitive transducer, angular measurement, angular displacement. All we can. See, there are so many are there, but we are writing some important things because most of these transducers are available in the nature is passive transducers. Okay, fine. But how can you expect the questions in the gate? What kind of questions asks in gate? Ask in gate. See, this is the biggest question. Fine. Okay, books I will explain later. I will give later. See, mainly problems. Second one mark question. That is working principle. Working principles. Third one, working principles. Third one, mappings. Mappings means what? A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. Like A to Q, B to P, C to S, R to D. This kind of mappings. So like this they will ask questions.